Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oneika, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. I started this vlog like last year, and it was just basically me taking y'all on a renovation series with me. But yeah. So just one last pan at my certificate wall. That whole thing is gonna be gone right now. These are all of my certificates. I just took them down, and now I gotta take down that little garland up there, and ew. There we have the wall. She's all empty. In case you're wondering what those holes are, those are the electrical wires, and that's why I had things covering it. So now I'm gonna have to find something else to cover it with. I mean, I could get it closed up, but I'm just gonna find something to cover it up because I'm lazy. Yeah. Now I'm gonna work on my nightstand, and I'm gonna work on everything down here mostly and whatever's in the drawer. These are a few of my favorite books that I read, so I kept them under here, but I'm gonna go through and probably donate them. I have some CDs here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to these are like Christmas ones. It's a whole bunch, and I'm just gonna have to go through them. If you're watching this and you know where I can sell books, please comment. Please, I want to know if I can sell my books. Okay, I took everything off and it looks so disgusting, but I'm gonna use this glass and surface cleaner, and I'm also going to use this right here, which is an all-purpose lemon scented cleaner. This is what my nightstand looks like. Very nice and clean. I am gonna get a lampshade for my lamp soon. And then I took out all the books from under here, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna put under here yet. This is my desk, and I did a makeup collection earlier on and I showed you around, but there's my makeup and my desk, and I'm actually going to ignore the makeup right now, but I'm gonna focus on the desk just because of how disgusting it looks. Do you see that? And I'm just gonna try to take everything off and attack it. Okay, this is just a box that I got like PR in last night. This is what I got. I'm gonna try to put this away. I have like candle, I just have a bunch of random stuff on the desk which just needs to go. Everything just needs to go. My desk looks so clean, so amazing right now. I literally don't know what to put because I really want to move everything off and just have a more open area, if that makes sense. Very lost right now. Just like my drawer in my nightstand, I just have a bunch of crap in here. I can just take these out. These are just like PR notes and stuff. I'm just gonna keep in here. Ugh, it's just a mess, honestly. It is a different day, and today's task is to get this whole section done. I need to organize it and just clean it up. I'm looking a little rough, but it's like 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock right now. And the whole plan for the bookshelf was that I wanted it to be very girly and just have my bags and shoes and stuff like that on there. That's what I'm going to try to organize. I'm going to try to do that bookshelf, and then I'll do the smaller bookshelf later. I did have fairy lights on here, and it was connected to this one, so I'm going to have to not rewire it, but figure out how I'm going to do it again. Okay, these are my bags on the first two shelves, which is fine, but then I have books down here that I do want to move. Alright, that is everything off my bookshelf, and now I'm going to do this. So that's what that looks like right now. It's not finished. I may change it, but yeah, I do have to do this. Now I'm gonna take everything down. This is everything so far. You know, it's kind of gone. Y'all, I just moved this by myself. I didn't record it because obviously I was struggling, so I moved that by myself over there, and then because it was right here, yeah. I did put a command hook on the back of my door so I could hang my bags. Well, only 2 of them. This is the aftermath of the second day, and the fact is that I'm just getting started. I'll see y'all whenever I decide to do this again. Hey y'all, today is day 3 of the redecorating series. I'm actually on my way to Dollar Tree with my mom. I'm waiting on her to get out the house, but I'm going to Dollar Tree for things for my room and for like other things, of course, but I am going to vlog while I'm in Dollar Tree to show y'all what I'm picking up, of course. I just went in Dollar Tree, didn't really find much. I'll show y'all I showed y'all what I got, but then I'll show you how it looks at home because it was just so crowded in there because of the holiday rush. This was the only size that I could find. This was bigger, and then I did get a smaller one that I'm gonna put under the bookshelf. So this is kind of hard to do with one hand, but let me attempt to do it. So I mean, from Dollar Tree, it's actually really good quality. And that's what it looks like. Very cute. Y'all, they look so cute. It's better than me just seeing, you know, my clothes thrown on the top. Let me show you what it looked like before. This is the other side of my closet, and everything's just thrown like that. But now there's a clean look. I do want to get another one just to fill that space because that's kind of weird, you know. Oh my god, my lips kind of dry, but let's ignore that. Hey y'all, it's day 4 obviously, and we are going to Dollar Tree and Walmart. What I need from Dollar Tree, I need the 5 organizational bins for my closet, and then we're going to Walmart for decor wise things that I have. I made a list. Of course, I'm going to show y'all when we're in Walmart and in Dollar Tree. Hopefully I can find more things in this Dollar Tree than I did at the last one because it was like ran through. There was nothing there. I'm in Dollar Tree trying to find what I would need. So I didn't find what I wanted to find, but my mom is having the time of her life smelling all the stuff. These are the only ones that I see. Oh, they have yarn too. How cool. But that's all I see. I'm in Walmart and I do need a lampshade. So I'm looking at the assortments that they have. These are the ones that they have. There's like, that's not, wait, I don't know which one to get because I don't know the size. So I am gonna get this. This is just a wrap. Oh, God. So we're in Walmart. Yeah, I think I already said that. Can't remember if I did or not. This is the cart with the things. Didn't really find a lot of things as I thought I would find stuff, but kind of a letdown also. Same thing with Dollar Tree. It wasn't what I expected it was gonna be. Alright, I am home now and I'm going to try to get everything sorted out in the room. Yeah, so I'm about to deal with the rest of the closet situation. Let me show y'all what's going on with the room itself. I mean, it's So I put everything in one pile because, you know, the room looks a tad bit cleaner. And then we're not even okay. Ow. I did end up finding 5 of these. The footage showed, you know, like there was none, but you know, something in my head was like, girl, look up. And I looked up and there was a whole pile of these on top of the shelf. All right, it's a few hours later. I finally got this set up. Yeah, it's kind of cute. Hey y'all, it's obviously day 5. And we're going to Michael's and this other Dollar Tree, which is on the other side of town from where we live. And it's not like we're taking a road trip or anything, but yes, we're just going to another side of town that has Dollar Tree and Michael's, and it'll probably have more assortments. Alright, we're in Michael's, and this is the section with the organizational drawers, and they have like blue ones, but of course my room's white, so I'm gonna get the white one. So this is the one I'm gonna get. We decided to walk to the Dollar Tree since it's literally in the same lot. Didn't make sense to waste gas. Okay, there's nothing here. Y'all, we just went in Five Below and they refurbished it, well, renovated in there, and they have things in there for $10 and it's supposed to be Five Below. How does that make sense? I don't understand. I don't understand. So I'm in Walmart and I found command strips because I'm hanging my mirror. Wait, these are, I'm also trying to find, sorry, it's like noisy in here. I'm also trying to find push lights for my closet and bulbs for my room. Found the light bulbs. Ooh, here we got the push lights. There we go. Let's see. There's like a ooh, these can change color. Nice. I picked these up to like read this one because it's 2 for $9.97, and then they have like a pack of 5 for $15.87, but I don't need that much. But I think these would look better because of how my closet is set up. So I think I am gonna get 2 of these, and then I'm gonna show it to my mom and compare. So it would be like 2 of these versus the, yeah, we've decided to go with this one after a long, hard decision. Well, not a decision, discussion. It's currently raining outside. We stopped at the gas station to get gas, but I got most of the things for my room. So this vlog is gonna end, this whole video is gonna end pretty soon because I've gotten majority of the things for my room. Ali! Ali, come on, take camera. Come on, take camera.
Stop pushing me, sit there. I'm just trying to look at me.
Yeah, y'all, so that's what that looks like. It looks so good. It's very organized. And here is the light. It's a touch light, and it just really adds a lot of detail because it just makes it pop in here. It's very bright. Whoa, y'all, this is so cute. I think I'm gonna get 2 of them. Oh my god. Oops. I mean, they have it, but not the color that I want. So I picked up 4 of these. They didn't have like a different color, but I think it would be better if I just got the same color for the closet. Okay, these are the things that I got from Dollar Tree. What are they called again? Oh, let's ignore that over there, please. But these organizational things, and they look so cute. I'm very happy with how it looks. Let me back, ooh, okay, that I fell. Let me back up. Wow, those are Christmas gifts. And y'all have already seen the clothing rack, but yeah, that's what that looks like. And then I just have the rest over there to put away. Unfortunately, that is all that I have for you because right now my room is under construction. So everything's all over the place. Everything that I cleaned up is not clean anymore because my dad is working on my room. yeah, I'm very sorry if this vlog was kind of boring because it didn't have a lot of fun things, but whenever I do record the room tour, which will be sometime in the summer or spring, I will show you what was done or what is being done right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.